Are you considering starting a business? You need to know the hard facts. I'm telling you not to scare you, but to prepare you. Only 40% of businesses are profitable. I'm Jacob Heiberg from bizchamp.net. I help business owners start and grow their business like a champ. BizChamp makes business simple and gives you everything you need to succeed, including training, coaching, apps, and a done-for-you professional team. Another 30% are breaking even, and even another 30% are losing money. So 60% of all self-employed businesses have a smaller salary than when they were employed. They might still be very happy with their business, but the fact is they are making less money than they did when they were employed. And why is that? Well, because as being self-employed, there are many tasks you need to do, and often without pay. And the difference is that if you're planning and strategizing right, and you're focusing on doing the right things right, you will become profitable. If you're not doing that, if you're focusing on the wrong things, or you're doing the wrong things, or you're not doing them efficiently, you will be spending too much time on that, so you have less time to actually make money. And this is the difference between amateurs and champions. Champions know what to focus on, when and how to do it. And coming back, business is not something you learn in school. So you have to learn it either the hard way or by learning from somebody who have been there and done it. So my recommendation would be, if you're planning on starting a business, find a coach, find somebody who have started businesses before, who can coach you and guide you on the way so you will become successful. I'm Jacob Heiberg from bizchamp.net. If you want more, please subscribe to bizchamp.net or follow me on social medias. Also, if you got value, I would ask you to please leave a comment or share the content. Remember, start right, start now.